How to save your contacts to your Google account on Android. Enabling Google Contacts Sync ensures your contacts are automatically backed up and can be restored whenever you sign in with the same Google account on another device. To get started, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Google. On the Google Settings page, tap All Services to view all the available Google features linked to your account. Now, scroll down until you find Google Contacts Sync and tap on it. Here, make sure Automatically Sync and Backup Device Contacts is turned on. If you have more than one Google account signed in, choose the account where you want your contacts to be backed up. After enabling this option, your phone will automatically sync your contacts with your Google account whenever your device is connected to the internet. This helps keep your contacts safe and makes it easy to restore them if you switch to a new phone or reset your current one. To confirm that sync is working, go back to the previous screen and tap Manage Settings if available, or wait a few moments for the sync to complete automatically. Your contacts will then be securely stored in your Google account and kept up to date across your devices. And that's it. That's how you can save and sync your contacts to your Google account on Android using the latest settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips and how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.